Hi everyone, my name is Minh Thức. I'm 8 years old. I come from Thanh City, and now I'm going to reveal this roasted chicken. I bought this chicken from Thu Hiền, and certainly now I think for the look, it looks pretty good. Here's some more about Thu Hiền. Here, Thu Hiền sells fish, roasted duck, and roasted chicken, which I am having here. First, let's taste the roasted chicken with some gravy. Here's a piece of chicken. I'm going to dunk it in some gravy. For the roast duck, the roast chicken is super good. It has a sweet plus a salty and savory taste. This also has a texture which is melts in your mouth, and second thing is super chewy. Next is this sauce, which is some shrimp sauce mixed with cilantro and a bit of some chili. Let's taste it. This one has a very tasty and a savory taste with sweetness and sour taste. And now I'm going to try both. Very good. First, the meat had a very soft tint to the gravy. Then, for no reason, and immediately it switched to the flavor of the sauce. Here's what the skin looks like. I am going to try the skin. First, I would dunk it in this gravy. I could say it's pretty good. But the thing that is missing, it needs texture. I feel that the texture is too savory. Next, I'm going to dunk in this sauce, which is shrimp sauce with cilantro and some chili peppers. Here's it. This one now holds a world record. Texture is like unforgettable. It is just her explosion inside of my mouth. It bursts with a very light savory taste, a super strong sweet taste, and then finally a light spicy. Now I'm going to taste both of them.
Recommend.
This one is also good. This is the thing is when I think it is like when I mix meat with some type of tender sauce, which is sweet, spicy, sour, savory, and it's also very good. I still have one more. Here's the thing about the meat. The meat, well, for the texture, I think is super tender with a bit of chewiness.
Recommend.
Then, when you test about the skin, it melts in your mouth. It has a very light taste of some honey. And can also be good if dry aged for about a week.
Recommend.
So okay, I'm going to comment 5 out of 5 star for the maker of this chicken. It is super good. I think this is one of the yummiest types of roasted chicken. Also, I think this should be sold all over the world because of its savoriness and taste.